Revitalizing old wood is more than just an act of recycling. It is a testament to the endless possibilities that lie hidden within materials often overlooked, discarded, or forgotten, and when approached with creativity and vision. This process elevates simplicity into beauty and functionality into artistry, transforming forgotten finds into marketable treasures that not only generate profit, but also tell stories of renewal, sustainability, and craftsmanship. To walk into a workshop with a piece of aged, weathered wood is to hold in your hands the potential to create something unique, something that speaks to both the heritage of the material and the imagination of the maker. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you a collection of simple wood design ideas for big profits by transforming forgotten finds into marketable treasures. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Each crack, knot, or weathered grain becomes a feature rather than a flaw, and the process of revitalizing old wood invites entrepreneurs, hobbyists, and dreamers alike to see past what is and envision what could be. This is where creativity becomes wealth, where forgotten scraps or reclaimed beams are reborn as trays, shelves, art pieces, or functional furniture, and the simplicity of this transformation is what makes it timeless, sustainable, and endlessly appealing to today's market. For modern consumers, who are increasingly conscious of sustainability and authenticity, these pieces are not just functional items, but living embodiments of values. Choosing a revitalized wooden treasure is a way of connecting with nature, with history, and with the artisan who gave it new life. In a world awash with mass-produced goods, the uniqueness of reclaimed and revitalized wood stands out as an antidote to uniformity. And this distinction is precisely what allows makers to command higher prices and build thriving businesses around what others might see as waste. The act of turning old wood into new profits is not merely economic, it is deeply symbolic, for it demonstrates how resourcefulness and imagination can transform limitations into opportunities, and how simplicity itself, when elevated through design and craftsmanship, becomes something beautiful and desirable. For the entrepreneur stepping into the woodworking landscape, revitalizing old wood offers a rare combination of low cost and high value, since the raw material is often inexpensive, if not free. Yet the finished product can sell for a premium when presented as a sustainable, one-of-a-kind creation. The process itself is a journey of discovery, as each piece of wood reveals its hidden character once sanded, polished, and shaped, and this process allows the maker to not only create functional objects, but also to preserve the essence of the wood's past life, whether it was part of a barn, a fallen tree, or a forgotten piece of furniture. This story becomes part of the product's identity, and in a market where customers seek more than just utility, storytelling is as valuable as craftsmanship. Buyers are drawn not only to the look and feel of revitalized wood but also to the narrative behind it, the idea that something old and overlooked has been given a second life, now gracing their homes with warmth, character, and meaning. This emotional connection fuels demand and makes revitalized wood products not just sellable but highly marketable treasures. Beyond the emotional appeal, there is the functional beauty of these creations. Trays that serve both as practical items and decorative statements, shelves that maximize space while showcasing natural elegance, or centerpieces that anchor a room's design with rustic charm. Each item crafted from old wood proves that functionality and beauty are not mutually exclusive, but can, in fact, enhance one another, elevating the usefulness of everyday objects into experiences of style and authenticity. For entrepreneurs, this balance between form and function is what drives profitability, because it positions their products not merely as tools, but as lifestyle enhancements, and customers are willing to invest in items that enrich their lives in multiple ways. We hope you're enjoying today's video. If you love decor and crafting, we post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Let's spread creativity and inspire more people to build beautiful spaces with their hands. The woodworking landscape thrives on this blend of artistry and utility, and revitalizing old wood has become a cornerstone of the movement towards sustainable, profitable crafts. What makes this path even more powerful is its accessibility. Unlike ventures that require significant capital, revitalizing old wood often begins with simple tools, salvaged materials, and an entrepreneurial mindset that sees potential where others see waste. It is a venture rooted in vision rather than resources, and that is why it resonates with so many aspiring makers who want to transform creativity into livelihood. The endless possibilities extend far beyond the workshop, too, because the market for revitalized wooden treasures spans across demographics and geographies, from local craft fairs to global online platforms. From eco-conscious millennials decorating their apartments with rustic modern decor to seasoned homeowners investing in heirloom quality pieces. This broad appeal ensures that revitalizing old wood is not a fleeting trend, but a sustainable business model, one that adapts to shifting tastes while remaining anchored in the timeless allure of natural materials. And yet, beyond marketability, the craft itself brings profound personal rewards, because the act of creating from reclaimed wood is deeply satisfying. There is a sense of pride in rescuing something overlooked and giving it new meaning. A sense of purpose in aligning one's work with values of sustainability and creativity, and a sense of joy in seeing how customers connect with the finished product. Every project becomes both a personal accomplishment and a contribution to a larger cultural shift toward mindful consumption and appreciation of craftsmanship. In this way, revitalizing old wood is not only profitable but also transformative, shaping not just the material but the maker and the market alike. For entrepreneurs, the invitation is clear. Investing time and imagination into revitalizing old wood is a way to craft a business that is sustainable, profitable, and deeply fulfilling. It is a path that requires vision, yes, but it rewards that vision with tangible results, unique products that carry stories, embody values, and generate income. It proves that even in simplicity there is wealth, that functionality can be elevated into artistry, and that the overlooked can become the most treasured. The endless possibilities of revitalizing old would lie not only in the diversity of products that can be created, but in the enduring appeal of the narrative itself, because in every corner of the world there are forgotten finds waiting to be transformed, waiting for someone with the creativity and courage to see beyond the surface. And when those forgotten finds are reborn as marketable treasures, they carry with them a message of resilience and renewal, reminding us that beauty is often hidden in plain sight, waiting to be revealed by those who believe in its potential. Thus, the act of revitalizing old wood becomes not just a business model, but a philosophy of life, that with imagination, dedication, and purpose, the simplest things can be elevated into sources of beauty, functionality, and lasting success. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple wood design ideas for big profits by transforming forgotten finds into marketable treasures. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.